The other site that we like to use if we're searching visual metaphor is Flickr.com. As you can see, Flickr.com. And we type in a word, typically an abstract word that we're looking for. In this case, let's try for freedom, and do a search. And we come up with various executions of freedom, but we're not done yet. In order to get images that we can actually use, we first have to click on Advanced Search, which is here. And once we get to Advanced Search, we scroll down the page until we get to the Creative Commons section, which is there, and it gives us three choices. The first choice we need to select to only search within Creative Commons licensed content. Then we need content that we want to use commercially, and if we want to modify or adapt or build on that imagery, then we click that as well. Each of these selections does limit the number of listings that we find, but let's click on search and see what we come up with. Right, so there we have some of the images that are available. This is based on relevance, and for example, a barbed wire image would clearly be one interesting metaphor for freedom, or birds, and so on. Another way to look at it is just to click on interesting, and these are images selected by Flickr's team or software to determine the most interesting. And so we might select this imagery, for example. We do have to be careful with selecting people, or indeed selecting anything that has likely to have copyright itself, that just because the photographers deem these to be commercial, that they are in fact commercial. So we might be looking more for an abstract image, such as this one, which is of the beach in Phuket, as you can see. And we look to see what sizes are available on that. We'll click on all sizes, and it shows us the range of sizes and gives us the option to download the large size, and it says they're all available for download under Creative Commons license. So that might well be the imagery that we want, and we can then use it, and the Creative Commons message is there again.